Hi, I'm John Mayfield, the Real Estate Tech Guy, and thank you for joining me on another 5-minute real estate exam tip. Now, as always, don't forget you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love to have you as a subscriber, and we're always adding new playlists and new types of math problems and just keyword term webinars to help you pass the real estate exam. So again, just search for Global Real Estate School. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and yes, right here on YouTube. Well, today I want to talk to you about a cap rate problem. And I like to refer to, we talk about the T formula a lot, and I like to refer to the T formula as Uncle Irv. So I'm going to draw out the T formula right here, and I'm going to hopefully maybe you can see that where I'm just below. In fact, let's just draw that a little bit lower because I realize my photo is right up above there. And so on the T problem, we want to put our math symbols, which is the division, on the top bar, and then down at the bottom we put the multiplication sign. Now, Uncle Irv, 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 is going to be the same principle as our part total rate. Remember, part was on top. It's the smaller number, the P for part, and that's the smaller number. I'm going to write that in there. Now, for Irv, we're going to call this income, and we like to refer to it as net income. Down here we had total, which was the bigger number, remember that? And this is now going to be referred to as value, as our value. And then over here we had rate, the percentage or the rate, and that's going to just remain the same. That's going to be the rate, which is what we're looking at. Now on cap rate problems, or these types of problems you see here, an apartment building has a $230,000 net operating income and has a cap rate of 8.5%. What is the value? Well, we know we have 8.5% in the problem. Remember, I said you will always have two variables. You have to solve for the third one. Now, I like to move my decimal point over 2 places. So when we do that, it gives us 0.085. Now the question asks, what's the value of the building? Well, where's value? It's on bottom. That's what we're solving for. What is the net income? It is $230,000. Now, I just want to highlight this. What does our math tell us to do? Divide. So I'm going to take 230,000 and I'm going to divide that by 0.085, and I get 2,705,882 and some change, okay? Now, here's the thing you need to remember about Uncle Irv. You have to get everything down to net income. Sometimes they may give you the gross income and the expenses, so you need to take your gross income, subtract the expenses, and get down to a pure net income. Then you can divide that by either the value if you're solving for the cap rate, or you can divide it by the cap rate if you want to find out the value. Now, very quickly, because I've got about 30 seconds left here, a lot of times on the examination, they want you to work these too deep. So they might say, if a building is worth $2,705,882 at an 8.5% cap rate, what is it worth at a 7% cap rate? And all you have to do is work this which will give you this answer, and then you plug that into the new T problem with the 7% cap rate, and you'll get a whole different value. I hope this 5-minute tech tip was helpful for you. We are just a few minutes over 5 minutes, so I'm going to wrap it up right here. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out our check out our playlist there on YouTube for other 5-minute videos. Plus, I have some keyword webinars and much more. Don't forget, you can go over to globalrealestateschool.com. We have flashcards, we have practice exams, and many other tools and resources to help you pass the real estate exam on the first attempt. For Global Real Estate School, I'm John Mayfield. Go out and make it a great day.